I'm Melinda.
And I'm Max. We are Team M&M.
For our NeuroMaker Challenge project, we tackled a major concern for prosthetic users: safety without sensation. Without nerves that could sense temperature, users could easily damage their NeuroMaker hand and possibly ignite it. A plastic hand with metal wiring internals is highly susceptible to temperature-based accidents.
We then researched different options for detecting temperature to find the best approach. For our prototype, we decided on the DHT11 sensor as a cheap, effective starter solution. After installing it, we started to program further using M-Block.
We ran into a lot of problems here. Possibly due to an issue with assembly connections getting loosened in transportation, our hand was not responding in correlation with our code. After complete reassembly, the hand appeared to not respond to code after uploading at all. However, we decided to still make the code we intended to use. This utilizes the DHT sensor extension in M-Block.
We would definitely want to make a lot of improvements to our prototype. Firstly, fixing the movement issues we had after assembling the hand. Next, we could use a sensor with broader and more accurate data gathering capabilities, such as the AM2302.
For the final product, we imagined that each finger would have a sensor inside, compared to only having one in the palm. This would allow for a more nuanced application for our code, with each finger reacting to extreme temperatures.